Hello po, good morning. Ako na naman po ito. Ako po si Nathaniel. At ako nga po ay nagtuturo ng English dito sa Madrid, Spain, no? For the past 5 years. At sa video ito, mag-share na naman tayo ng isang programa na tinatawag nilang USETAM. At eto nga, pwede kayong magturo dito ng English dito sa Madrid through USETAM. Ayan, isa siyang program para magturo ng English sa mga private schools at saka sa mga konsertado. Ayan. Okay, so pag-usapan natin ang USETAM. Ang dami ko na palang ginagawang mga videos about mga programs kung paano magturo ng English dito sa Spain dahil madaming mga programs ang nagbibigay ng mga opportunity para sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino, no, para makapagturo dito sa Spain. So ang una nating titignan or ang titignan natin ngayon is ang USETAM. Ang sabi dito, all candidates must be native English speakers. So pasok po tayo niyan. Kino-consider po nila ang mga Pilipino na native speakers. Have experience with children. Sa tingin ko, hindi naman to obligatory or it's not a must. Hold a university degree. I think napaka-importante nito, no? Hold a university degree. So, dapat graduate na kayo ng bachelor's degree or whatever. And a clean criminal record. So pag galing kayo ng Pilipinas, kailangan nyo mag-provide ng NBI. Pero pag nandito na kayo sa Spain, pwede kayo mag-provide ng Certificado de Antecedentes Penales. Ayan. Please note that many of the positions include preschool children and most are located outside of the city of Madrid. Yung kaibigan ko actually, nasa preschool siya. So pwede kayong magturo sa mga ages between 3 to 5 years old or 3 to 6 years old, ganon. Ang Community of Madrid pala is meron siyang city center which is Madrid City or yung Madrid. Pero meron ding mga schools outside of the city. Actually, yung place ko ngayon is outside of the city. I'm not with USETAM, pero I'm not in the city of Madrid. Okay? Pero nasa Community of Madrid pa din siya. Kasi Madrid is a city and it's a region and it's a province here in Spain, okay? USETAM periodically has openings for language assistance through this school year. If you fulfill the above requirements and have a valid NIE, please send your CV. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-send sa kanila ng yung curriculum vitae dito sa email na to, auxiliares@usetam.es, okay? Yung NIE is yun yung number ninyo. Pag nag-apply kayo, for example, ng student visa, magkakaroon kayo ng NIE. Okay, so yun lang yung kailangan. The English Language Assistant Coordinator will contact you for an interview if your experience matches the open position. So again, sa mga Pilipino, kung meron kayong experience sa children, siguro mas priority nila to, no? Graduate na kayo ng degree course, clean yung criminal record. Mag-send lang kayo ng CV, including valid NIE, to auxiliares@usetam.es. Ayun, doon lang kayo. And then, i-contact nila kayo for an interview. Siguro itong interview, I'm not sure if this is individual or group interview. Ayan. Okay. Magbibigay lang tayo ng mga general information about USETAM. Okay, meron sila mga information dito. Our program offers 18 or 26-hour English language assistant positions at USETAM-affiliated schools located within the Community of Madrid. English language assistants can commute by metro bus and or train to their schools, and for this reason, many take advantage of the wonderful opportunities and the amazing experiences that living in the city of Madrid offers. Yan. 18 or 26 ELAs. Parang kukunti lang to, no? 18 to 26 lang kaya. Actually, ang USETAM is hindi talaga siya ganun kalaki. Feel ko ang pinakamalaki talaga is ang Ministry of Education and then I think to be followed by BEDA, BEDA. And then Institute of Franklin, I think. Okay? Kasi within sa Madrid lang ata itong USETAM. Okay. The USETAM Language Assistant Program is intensive. ELAs collaborate with teachers in planning and implementing English language lessons. Ito yung kaibahan nito sa ministry. Sa ministry kasi, you are not part of the planning. Okay? Although binibigyan ka ng task, pero like the whole planning, hindi mo yon responsibility. Ayan. This includes assisting with the development of lesson materials, leading small group and full activities, and providing individualized support to student. Yes. Minsan meron yung mga estudyante na mas kailangan nila ng help, lalo na yung mga bata na let's say mas, ano bang term ang pwede natin ibigay dyan, no? Mas, hindi nila, ang tawag dito, hindi sila ganun kadaling mag-catch up sa mga lessons. Yung mga ganun, okay? ELAs are proactive participants in their schools and encouraged to become a part of the school community, taking on the role actively and engaging with both teachers and students. Yes, mas gusto nila talaga dito proactive ka. Minsan nagbibigay sila ng corner, tapos mapopost ka doon, i-develop mo siya, maging creative ka, maglalakay ka doon ng information about the Philippines, about you, mga ganun. Meron akong dating ganun pero under sa ministry yun, okay? To promote the Philippines din, ganyan. Our candidates should be interested in teaching English, looking to gain valuable experience in a diverse and dynamic educational environment. Napaka-importante yun kasi kung wala kang interest talaga, first sa pagtuturo and then sa mga bata, feel ko mahirapan ka to fulfill your duties as English language assistant. So dapat both is meron ka nun. Ayan. Along with the English or in-classroom practice, USITAM language assistants will provide in a mandatory training program with the Universidad Autónoma de Madrid, which includes 7 in-person classes. Ayan. Para rin siyang beda na merong in-classroom practice. Ay, in-classroom practice bang tawag sa beda? Or like, studying lang ata? Ayun. So, meron din. Pero ang partner naman ng USITAM is Universidad Autónoma de Madrid. Ayan. Actually, parang may kilala nga akong ano dito sa USITAM. Ang tawag nito. One of our professors dati is nandito siya sa USITAM. Ayan. Okay, and then, what else? Ano pang kailangan natin? Magkakaroon din daw kayo ng training. No, not training, orientation. The USITAM English Language Assistant Program provides health insurance. Ayan. Sa tingin ko, halos lahat ng mga programs dito nagbibigay ng health insurance and free lunch at the schools if this service is available to students. Yung friend ko nga, meron siyang freelance kasi yung pasok niya is from 9 to 4. Tapos parang 2 o'clock kasi, nagbe-break na yung mga bata. Like 2 to 3, meron siyang lunch. Pero kung ang napunta sa inyo is like from 9 to 5, normally yun yung schedule ng mga private schools dito tsaka mga concertado. Ayan. Yung mga information pala na ito was actually last year pa to, or this year, 2004-2005. Hindi pa sila naglalabas ng mga information. Ayan. Orientation is mandatory. Ayan. Pag may update, mag-post na lang ako dito sa aking mga social media account. Ayan. Nathaniel Travels. Ayan. Okay, so ano pa yung mga information na dapat yung matutuhan dito? Okay. So yun nga, meron siyang tawag dito, training program, mga USITAM language assistant, along with the University of Autónoma de Madrid. The course has a hybrid design. It consists of 7 modules total throughout the school year. From October to May, there are 4 weeks of asynchronous material online, including 2 assignments. At the end of the online module, there is an in-person session. Okay. So 7 modules. Pag natapos na yung module or at the end, merong in-person na pupunta kayo dun sa Universidad Autónoma de Madrid. Ayan, ganoon pala siya. Ask ko nga yung friend ko dito. So, yung campus nila is nasa La Latina area. Ayan. ELAs, language assistants, will receive 6 ECTs or European University credits and a certificate of completion at the end of the academic year, provided they comply all the requirements. Ayan. So, ano ba yung mga requirements natin? Ulitin lang natin. Bachelor's degree in any subject prior to end of June, siguro na 2025. Kasi ito yung information from last year. Okay? Hold a current passport, dapat may passport ka, and be eligible to apply for a visa in a country of origin if galing ka ng Philippines. Ayan. Pero pag nandito ka sa Spain, yes, you can also apply yung NIA na lang, yung TIE, no? Ang inyong isasubmit. Be a native English speaker, pasok ang Philippines dito. Be a positive, proactive, dynamic, hardworking, and a team player because you are working with a group of teachers and also with other language assistants from other countries as well. Be punctual and professional. Napaka-importante sa kanila to. Dapat walang late. Be able to work on your own and with others, of course. Dapat maging independent ka. Ganon. Have confidence and the ability to be able to adapt to new situations quickly. Dapat you can, ang tawag dito, surpass whatever culture shock there is. So, ayun. And provide proof and you have no criminal record, state or FBI report or Certificado de Delitos Sexuales if you have been in Spain for more than 6 months. So, ayun lang yung mga information para mag-apply sa USITAM. So, ayun. Kung meron kayong mga requirements, just send them an email. Send it to auxiliares@usitam.as. So, yun lang. Good luck sa inyo mga kababayan at sana makapunta kayo dito sa Spain or yes, makapagturo kayo ng English dito sa Spain. So, ayun. Paunahan na lang. So, dapat maganda yung CV nyo dyan, no? Kasi feel ko dun sila magbe-base, kumbaga, the impression. Okay? So, yun lang. Kung meron kayong katanungan, you can comment down or you can message me through my social media accounts. Again, this has been Nathaniel Troubles. Maraming salamat. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Ayan. Maraming salamat from Madrid, Spain. Hasta luego. See you sa aking mga next videos. Bye!